What's up, guys? ISO Fishing Adventures back with another video. Today we're at Walmart. We got a $15 budget. We're going to see what we're going to get. Starting off with a rod and reel, we got the $10 Ozark Trail Wayfarer combo. Next, I'm going to pick up a little 1/16 ounce minnow here. Fish it like a jerkbait. Next, I'm going to get some pre-rigged soft plastics on some lightweight jig heads. All together with a rod, reel, and a couple different lures. Came out still under 15 bucks, and we're at the water.
What's up, guys? Today we're in Troublesome Creek, Kentucky yet again. Today we're doing the $15 Walmart budget challenge. We got the $10 Ozark Trail rod and reel combo, and we're pairing it with 2 Ozark Trail lure packs. We got soft plastics and hard baits. We're gonna see what we can do. Ended up switching over to the soft plastic. All right, see if white's the move today. Let's see, that bluegill probably bite it. Yep, got one. A little blue. Yep. Pretty gill too. I think it's a hybrid. It looks a little funky. Look at the tail. Look at the fins on it. It's yellow. Nice, it's warm. Go get it. Fish on. Oh, good one. That's a pretty good one. Good size one. Oh, fish, fish, fish. What's that, bluegill? Oh, warmouth. Well, we've definitely covered the multi-species today. Oh, he's peeing on me. Come on, buddy. How many fins you got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, maybe 5. I'm not sure exactly how that works. No, around the 4 to 5 mark, it makes it either a rock bass or a warmouth. Usually where there's one warmouth, there's 2. Can't get another. Oh, I'm hung. Oh, no, not. It's a fish. Another warmouth. What did I say? Where there's 1, there's 2. Excuse me. Hold on a second, friend. I figured it was only fair that I try to catch a fish on every lure that I have. So I've got plenty on the little white, whatever that is. So I'm gonna try to catch something on this minnow, then go back to the little jerk bait, see what I can do. Oh, I had some followers. Picked it up, spit it out. Go get it. I got him. Okay, 1 for the little purple and green lure. Oh, quick release, he counts. The absolutely gargantuan monster carp is in front of us. Switch back to the minnow to try to complete the challenge. Let's see how it goes. Got one, fish on. There we go. Got one on every bait. Let's get you. Oh, he about got me good. Oh, we got you snagged now. Off the bite now, Molly. How did you pull drag? Oh. Oh, that's fine. Oh, a good one. I got one. How in the world did you get yourself on there? Don't hook me, please. Sir. Sir. Oh yeah, a little bitty guy, but he's there. Another warmouth. Well, might be able to finagle this one out, what do you say? It's not a good spot. Well, a little unorthodox. Probably been too long. Oh, one's got it. That's a solid one. Yep, good solid bass. Just choked it. I have to get the pliers out. Should be one good one in here. Oh, missed it. It's still after it. There we go. Woo! Pretty blue. Or whatever you are. Big orange tips. Alright, we'll have to plier him and get him off. Well guys, we ended the day up with catching at least one fish on every bait we had. Pretty good for a $10 Walmart combo with some cheap dollar lures. $15 budget was all we had and we made it work. They don't take a whole lot. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.